Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday, guys. Nothing much is happening actually since Monday. We see slight recovery of the major currency pairs, but it seems that they're gonna fight a lot in order to see more decent recovery to the upside. What we had so far on the economic calendar: green existing home sales in United States, of course. Federal Reserve Chairman Powell testified yesterday in front of the Congress, but no big impact. Anyway, they say what they have to say last week. Wednesday, we have today composite PMI, manufacturing PMI, and services PMI, 8:30 a.m. GMT in the morning for the Great British Pound. New home sales, 2 p.m. GMT for US crude oil inventories. The crude oil is waiting the crude oil inventories to see how it's gonna be. Last week we got the very green crude oil inventories, so this is what actually is pushing the crude going up. Still, believe we haven't had decent correction to the downside, so could be a good reason to future drop of the crude. President Lagarde is gonna give a speech 4 p.m. GMT today. Tomorrow, Thursday, we have interest rate decision. Definitely volatile event on the market. 11 a.m. GMT. Core durable good orders on monthly basis 12:30, gross domestic product on quarterly basis 12:30, and initial jobless claims 12:30. So a little bit more about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk in a couple of minutes. Let's take a look what we got on the euro side and the major currency pairs. Euro US dollar, as you can see, we talked about it. We can see correction from here. So this was a push to the upside, growth of United States dollar, and I personally believe this is going to be temporary. In the upcoming weeks, we can see the Euro US dollar and the majors growing up. So we start with slight recovery to the upside. We can see slight drop continuation to the upside. Let's take a look, but definitely, no matter what the Federal Reserve said last week, definitely I believe the US dollar drop is not finished yet. GBP USD, if we take a look, kind of similar price action, of course. We talked about it, very nice buy opportunity here. We got 1.3814, the price tested the support in trying to push up. Absolutely possible to see 1.42. Very good trading opportunity, very clear trend, so nothing much to say here. And we have interest rate decision on Thursday, so GBP is in focus for sure. Australian USD, it's struggling a bit compared to the GBP and Euro because it's testing the support at the resistance level 0.7563, and I think it's gonna struggle here to break it out. Let's see, of course, but I wouldn't rely on the Australian. Anyway, we have more clear price actions on GBP and Euro USD. So if I have to choose, definitely wouldn't be the Australian dollar. New Zealand, kind of similar, but without the resistance. 0.70 is the current price, big round number. 0.6942 tested very clearly, and we can see test of 0.71 in the upcoming days. So New Zealand is better than the Australian, but still GBP looks much better in general. USD Canadian, we talked about this correction again, and we see testing the resistance 1.2466, pushing down 150 pips for barely 2 days. Slight recovery to the upside is possible, 1.2366, but nothing major. So we can even see testing 1.2466, so it's pretty possible, but USDCAD in the long term is a downtrend. Now, crude oil, our favorite and lovely crude oil. What is going on? $73.20 per barrel. So crude is definitely pushing up, and definitely because of the weakness of the US dollar. And I think since this is not a decent correction, just 2 days drop, $2 per barrel, considering from the bottom to the top we talk about $12 growth. for barely 2 weeks. So exactly because of this, we can see something like this, and bam, 10, $15 drop, pretty possible. So it's a matter of time to see, but I think crude is going to be under pressure very, very soon. USD Swiss franc, kind of similar like the USD Canadian, but just the downtrend of the USD CAD is not completely here. But still, we have a very big push of the USD Swiss, USD in general to the downside, very huge recovery to the upside, 300 pips. But still, I believe USD Swiss is going to go down further, and this could be, by the way, very, very good opportunity because, as you know, quick recovery could mean quick drop in the future. And the USD Japan, our last currency pair, what do we have? USD Japan, interestingly, it's pushing to the upside. We got even momentum here. Careful with this buy because it could be a bull trap because USD Japanese, if we zoom out a bit, we're going to see that we've been experiencing such a price action, the price going down, after that pushing up, and after that big drop, sudden drop to the downside like this one, 300 pips for 3 400 for 3 4 days. So exactly because of this, I'm gonna be very cautious by taking buy trades on the USD Japanese yen, simply because if this starts dropping, it can drop heavily. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Oh, a little bit more about Bitcoin testing the levels below 30,000 US dollars. We've been talking about it with some of my clients, and definitely we can see further drop, slight recovery to the upside, and continuation to the downside is pretty possible, and very I'm not gonna be surprised to see Bitcoin on 20,000, even $17,000. It's a matter of time to see again. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoy my videos. Of course, share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course. Click the bell in order to get notified every time when I upload a video. Enjoy the day, enjoy the week, have a very profitable week, and expect my new video on Monday. Bye bye.